Hello everybody, this is Erdem. We are the leading real estate consultant company for foreigners who wants to invest or live in Turkey. Istanbul has been one of the most attractive cities in the world throughout history. And it is the second most visited cities in the world in 2020. Would you like to have an investment in the heart of Istanbul? Would you like to walk to Taksim Square from your apartment in 5 minutes? Welcome to Taksim 360. Taksim 360 project is established on 165,000 square meter land as the biggest urban renewing project, which is being built by both private and public partnership. While building the project, all the historical values are protected. The project has 918 units as residences, offices, shops and hotel in 9 blocks, while 1+1 and 2+1 apartments are giving you great investment opportunities. 3+1 and penthouses are offering you great Istanbul and Taksim view. Taksim 360 project is located only 3 minutes away from Taksim Square and Istiklal Avenue. Besides, you will be reaching to Galata Tower or Bosphorus within 5 minutes on foot. We are in a sample unit. In all of the apartments we have got smart home system. By using smart home system, you will be able to control everything of your apartment with mobile application. In the kitchen, you will have triple Lancaster set, Hoover, cooker and oven. Besides, you will have dishwasher in your apartment. All of them are with Siemens brand. While designing the kitchen, all high quality stuff are used. Marble bench and wood cupboards. And now the next step is the living room. When you enter the living room, the old Istanbul architecture is meeting us. The ceiling is quite high, and all the apartments have central heating and cooling systems. We are in the bedroom. As you see, it's quite large bedroom, and in this apartment, you will wake up in historical Istanbul. Now we are in the bathroom. It's designed so chic and high quality tools are used. In Taksim 360, your apartment will be unique because each apartment has different types and sizes. Istanbul has been one of the most attractive cities in the world throughout history. It is the meeting point Europe and Asia. Every year, millions of tourists visit this city, and in 2020, Istanbul has been the second most visited cities in the world. Istanbul has got a lot of historical remainings from different civilizations and cultures. Hagia Sophia, Sultanahmet Mosque, Galata Tower, and also beautiful Bosphorus. But the meeting point of this beautiful city is Taksim. Taksim 360 gives you great opportunities for investment. Taksim is visited by 3 million people every day. If you like, you can rent your apartments daily or yearly with high rental income. we provide you professional support while buying real estate in Turkey. Shall we plan a bright future together?